everyone! Today, let's draw together an animal costume dog. Let's begin by drawing shape of its head. Next, the eyes. Let's draw the cheeks. And lips. The kid's little hair bangs. Let's draw the shape of its body. And the arms. Let's not forget the long ears. Of course, the face of a dog. A little of its spots. Lastly, its long tail. And now, let's color this dog costume together. Look, the two ears are moving. The tail is also moving. The kid is happy to see you. This kid loves dogs. Do you like dogs too? The kid is enjoying the music. Would you dress up as a dog for your Halloween party? We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.